Good morning, guys. It's 18. What's up, you guys? It's Godox41. What you guys be up to? Anything for question? Anything new? Thinks I will eat now, you guys. This is my evening shift today. So, just cook up some lasagna before we head out to work. I packed my lunch. I'm gonna be packing my lunch, so I'll talk to you guys when I pack my lunch. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. I just got home, you guys, and Rachel made some pizza, you guys. Homemade pizza. So this is gonna be really good and exciting. So, looks so good. Ooh. Now, you guys, we are watching Phineas and Ferb. I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.